Now, some takeaways if you were to embark on this journey when you start on your next initiative or your next challenge. So you need to get management support early. You need to make sure that senior managers, your boss, your key influencers, your stakeholders get it, that the old approach isn't working anymore, and they need to shift a bit on the way that they're working. You need to start small and increment continuously. So always keep on building an extra feature, an extra approach, and continually until the full solution uncovers itself. And then you're able to understand on how far you can actually take it. You need to involve your patients from the beginning and throughout the process. And of course, there's this fail fast culture that I think that we all like, as long as we don't just fail. We have to think on that the fail fast culture is really an experimental one. You have to try a first approach, see if it works, try a second one, and so on, and keep trying on this process. Now, having said that, I'd like to take you back into the overall approach and why this isn't a linear one. You might start with the patients, interview them, build some personas, but when you put the solution out there in the market, you might understand that there's something that you overlooked. There might be another insight, and you have to go back and start building from the top. You have to think that you need to be flexible. Continuing on the innovation bit, whenever you're trying an approach, you think you don't only need one, but probably more than one that you can actually use. And this is the full innovation and connecting to the brand element. And of course, whenever you're putting something out there in the market, in the overall build, measure, learn approach, you need to think on starting small, increment continuously, and keep on trying. Building a solution that is based on a digital initiative and that also provides real outcomes is not a one-off approach. It's a journey. It's a continuous effort to make sure that you get it right. It might not be the first time, it might not be the second, but I guarantee you that the more you have your patients' insights and the more you can actually listen to how they're actually using or interacting with you, your brand, your company, and so on, the better it will be for you to actually build a solution that makes it happen.